A developer merges the pull request at 4 p.m. 5 minutes later, customers start seeing errors. And by 4:10 p.m., Slack is blowing up. Who deployed what? This is where CI/CD quietly becomes the hero when done right. It prevents chaos like this. CI/CD actually combines two connected but different loops. Continuous integration, everything happens before deployment, like code commit, building, testing, packaging. And continuous delivery or deployment, everything that happens after packaging. That means deploying, verifying, and taking the feedback. You can think of it as two halves of the same system. One ensures the code works, the other ensures it reaches users safely. Let's try to break down the stages. Here's what truly happens behind the scenes. Developer will try to pushes the code. A CI server like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab, you name it. There are so many different CI servers that can detect the change, detect the change. It checks out the repo, install dependencies, run unit tests. So all these stages will happen in this CI tool. Building, testing, packaging, nothing but deploying it to Docker registry. If everything passes, it packages the application into a Docker registry, for example, like a Docker image. Then this particular image is deployed to staging slash production environment. Then the pipeline reports success or failure back to the team. Why it matters in real teams? Before pipelines, deployments were manual checklists, zip files, SSH, copy paste commands. Everything meant big risk in production. With CI/CD, the process is repeatable, automated stages. If something fails, you see exactly where and you roll back safely. In real companies, this automation saves hours every day and turn release fear into release confidence. Every CI CD system is built around one loop, that is feedback. What kind of feedback? After every commit, you instantly know build passed, build failed, deployment succeeded, deployment failed. That rapid feedback makes teams fearless to ship often. The faster the loop, the faster you innovate. So that's the heartbeat of DevOps. Automate everything between writing code and delivering value. Next episode, we'll talk about Docker, the technology that made CI CD pipelines truly portable and changed how we ship software forever. Subscribe if you want to see how one container changed the entire DevOps world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.